Yo, what up guys, it's your boy Williams Fitness back again with another video. So we've just got some breaking news I'm just going to drop on. You might have already heard already. A lot of people already felt that he was not guilty anyway. However, an update in the Shawn Rhoden case I'm going to drop on you. I'm going to make this short and sweet. I'm not trying to milk this. Just get this news out there. Get the comments coming in. Let's have a conversation. So, Shawn Rhoden had an initial appearance today in Salt Lake City, Utah, where he appeared voluntarily with counsel. His brief. Prior to his appearance in court, negotiations occurred between his defense team and prosecutors, in which the prosecutor's bail request was reduced from $750,000 to $250,000. The arrest warrant was vacated. Shawn entered a plea of not guilty. He is represented by Rick Collins, ESQ of New York, and Almonte Slate, ESQ of Salt Lake City. Shawn deeply appreciates his many fans and supporters, especially those who were standing by him during this difficult time. He vigorously denies the charges. He has no statement for the media at this time. He looks forward to being cleared of these false accusations. So, wrap it up. Long story short, Shawn is pleading not guilty. I think we all by now know who this person is. We all know that they've got a long history of fraudulent claims. It is really positive to hear that he's pleading not guilty. Obviously, it's easy to say he's not done it. Obviously, it's just got to go through the process now. I do agree with a lot of people that have posted videos on this, whether it be Pump Chasers, Mark Lowbliner. I think these things should go through the court process first, then found guilty, and then obviously be judged in the public eye after the fact. I think this has had a huge detrimental impact on Shawn. So if he is found not guilty, not only has he lost out on potentially winning another Mr. Olympia title, it's the earnings, it's the credibility, it's the respect. I presume he may have already lost fans because of this, because it is a very, very, very serious allegation. Now, from this, I'm really hoping that this can be like water under the bridge as soon as possible. I don't think it's going to have any effect on this year's Mr. Olympia. I don't think he'll get on that stage in time. However, let's just see how it unfolds and we'll take it from there. I've been Williams Fitness. You've been you. Peace.